What's going on, guys? So I just finished my junior year in college and I'm going for a business management degree. So as a management major, I still need to take 2 science classes just like other non-science majors. All the non-science majors have this big long list of classes that we can take. Some a little bit more friendly to non-science majors and some kind of not. Pretty much all the classes that involve outer space are notoriously known for being pretty easy. And so I took the third planet and I took astronomy, and I did just fine in the third planet. I actually got an A in the class, but astronomy absolutely beat my ass this semester. And I knew I was fucked from the day I walked in. First of all, the science building couldn't be any more different than the business building. I had never been in the science building in my college career, but right when I walked in, I was just thinking, God damn, is anyone in here getting laid at all? You could cut the sexual frustration in the fucking air. The guys in there were just absolute fucking nerds. All they cared about were their grades. They didn't watch sports, they didn't lift weights, they didn't get any girls. As for the ladies, they were all socially awkward. Like, I was not used to dealing with girls that are like this, because over in the business building, hey, the girls know how to talk to you, okay? I was like, what the fuck is wrong with these chicks, okay? They look like they hang out in Starbucks and fucking rub their clits with books for fun. These are not the types of girls that I would want to be involved with. And so I'm in this class, I'm surrounded by a bunch of engineering majors. The professor was a total bitch. The school pulled the old switcheroo on me. Like, I was supposed to have this really easy, nice professor who just kind of hands out fucking A's to everybody because she knows the class isn't that serious, it's for pretty much non-majors. No, not me, I got this bitch from Las Vegas. From day one I knew I was fucked, because she just seemed like one of those professors that, even though no one in here is going to be an astronomy major and no one in here really gives a fuck about what you're saying, she really wants everyone to know every single detail about what's going on. She wants you to know that a light year is 9.8 times 10 to the motherfucking I don't care, okay? She wants you to know that shit. I just couldn't get down with it. It seemed like every single class she was telling us how
We're not 100% sure if this is true, but this is what we think happens, and so therefore, I'm gonna test you over it.
And I just was never into that idea. That is some bullshit to me, that if you don't even know if it's 100% true, why the fuck am I being tested over it? Why am I learning about it? Why do we care about all these calculations that these men made hundreds of years ago on fucking mushrooms and acid, probably? Crazy motherfuckers. But you don't know how many times I wanted to raise my hand and say, bitch, you don't think the moon landing is fake? You know there aren't shadows on the moon, bitch. Come on, who do you think they're fooling? We needed to win the war with the Soviet Union. That's the only reason we did that shit. That's the only reason we pretended to go to the moon. Yeah, she just took it very seriously. So I was sitting with all these engineering majors, so I was sitting in the front. I could tell the second I said, oh, I'm a business management major, they just wrote me off as like, oh, he's a stupid fucking idiot. And I just didn't appreciate that. I could tell that they didn't really want to help me when I asked for help, and so I eventually just stopped asking for help. Like, I probably could have passed the class with someone a little bit more knowledgeable's help in there, because they weren't really struggling like me. But no, they would just want to be pretentious asshole engineers, just like how I always hear engineers are. To those engineers that I was sitting with, all I have to say, have fun dealing with some business douchebags like me when you need funding for your little projects, because you're not going to have any of the funding money to do it. And you know who is? Oh, some big business corporation run by some douchebag who's going to tell you what to do, going to tell you what to fucking learn next. So fuck you. And I'm sorry, but just outer space in general, it's overrated. Star Trek's overrated. Star Wars is overrated. People who like outer space in general, I'm just like, what the fuck? Like, is there not enough going on here on Earth for you to be entertained? Like, are you just hoping and wishing for some sort of other reality? Because what we have here is amazing. Like, I have a lot of respect for like biology, chemistry, sciences like that, because they're studying things that we can actually measure on this Earth and that are actually going to have practical applications to us on this planet. I'm talking about medicine and cures for diseases, really. Like, it's way better than studying what's going on in outer space, because we literally had a whole segment of the class that was dedicated to knowing if aliens were real or not. If they are real, they're never gonna come fuck with this dumb fuck planet. I'm sure some astronomy motherfucker is gonna come on this video, come for my ass, roasting me. And to you I say, you've never been to space either, motherfucker. You don't know if that shit's true. You might think it's true. Just like my bitch of a professor said, we don't know nothing. And I'm out around, 2,200 on this class? So, that's kind of the moral of the story, kids, is don't fuck around in your science classes even if you don't think that what they're saying is true, alright? Just tough through it. Don't be like me, a fucking idiot business major. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Guys, I got a lot of videos coming soon, but I've been busy, I've been working. It's gonna be crazy though. stay tuned. I love you guys. I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please hit the like button if you thought this was just a funny little rant. Just wanted to clear my mind. Yeah, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.
Yo, see me? I'm just your regular guy. In high school, I would never skip class to get high. And girls never wanna fuck with that regular guy. They want the jocks or the bad guys that drink and get high. And so I never knew how the fuck that I would get fly. Make a couple raps and go talk about my dick size. Now ladies can't get enough, they wanna suck my dick dry. But most are fake and phony, so I tell them I don't have time. Cause time equals money, and fake hoes are worthless. When most of y'all are partying, me I'm probably working. Instagram and pics of me and your girl flirting. Now I know the answer if the fucking drapes match the curtains. I'm just playing, see your girl.